The following message is transmitted at the request of the Forest Service Sawtooth Avalanche Center. The Forest Service Sawtooth Avalanche Center in Ketchum has issued a backcountry avalanche warning. What? The avalanche danger for the warning area is high. Where? The Sawtooth, Smoky, White Cloud, Boulder, Soldier and Pioneer Mountains, including the mountains near Banner Summit, Stanley, Smiley Creek, Galena Summit, Ketchum, Haley and Fairfield. When? In effect through Wednesday 6 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Impacts: heavy snowfall and strong winds are creating very dangerous avalanche conditions. Widespread avalanching will occur. Avalanches may impact roadways and structures in the valley bottom. Expect natural avalanches in many areas. Some will be large enough to snap trees or destroy a wood frame house. Slides may run long distances into flat areas and mature forests. Avoid all avalanche terrain. Stay off and out from below steep slopes. Slopes steeper than 30 degrees. Consult www.sawtoothavalanche.com or www.avalanche.org for more detailed information. Similar avalanche danger may exist at locations outside the coverage area of this or any avalanche center.